Now before we leave lines, we're going to look at one other interesting equation. We've got two lines here which are perpendicular. By perpendicular we mean there are exactly right angles. So each of these angles in here is 90 degrees. So the first line here is M1, and it's got a gradient here of a value of 1. Now the other line here, which is sitting perpendicular to it, has a value of gradient -1. So when I multiply these two gradients together, 1 times -1, we get -1. Now if I was to turn this line round, and let's make it say 2. Now this gradient here is 2, and the gradient of the other line is -1/2. So if I multiply 2 by -1/2, I get -1. In fact, if I was to turn this round to any angle, whenever I multiply out the two gradients, I'll always get a value of -1 if both the lines are perpendicular. So we can say that if the lines are perpendicular, then M1 times M2 will equal -1.